Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to another episode of Tina Tries It. In today's episode, I'm going to be cutting my own bangs. Now, currently here in Singapore, all hairdressers are closed. You can't even go in for a 15-minute haircut. Everything's closed and it's gonna stay like this until the 1st of June. And I've been wanting to get my fringe or bangs cut for a while now. I've just been waiting for the hairdressers to reopen again, and it doesn't look like it's gonna happen anytime soon. And so I thought I would take things into my own hand and try it out myself. Now, I know what you're thinking. Trust me, I'm thinking exactly the same thing. This could go horribly wrong. There's a high chance of that happening because I've never done this before, but hear me out. In the case that I do stuff up, it won't be that bad because I'm not going out to see anyone. I'm gonna be at home for ages, and so I don't think it really matters. Actually, I still need to film videos. So if you see my hair clipped back or tied back in my next video, you know why. Okay, so the type of fringe or bang cut that I'm aiming for isn't just a regular straight across cut. I want something that's a little bit more see-through, sort of like that Korean style bang that can be worn at the front. It's little wispy bits. It's not a full heavy bang, and something that frames the face. If you guys saw my previous video where I got my hair done by Jenny from Blackpink, her hairstylist, she actually trimmed my hair, my bangs a little bit to help frame my face, and I really like that effect, but unfortunately it's kind of grown out now, so I want to recreate something like that, but I want something maybe that's incorporating a little bit more hair, something that you can be worn in the middle or on the side, but basically I want something that frames my face, especially when I tie my hair back, because I have I guess a high hairline and all these, I don't know, I only have a little bit of baby hair to cover that area up, so I want something to kind of just drape down and frame my face a little bit better when I tie my hair back. So I've found exactly what I want on YouTube. There's a girl, Heo Seulgi, a Korean girl who shows you how to cut your own bangs. And yeah, so she has long-ish bangs and she trims a little bit, and it's the style that I want. And so I'm gonna be following her 5-minute tutorial today. And yeah, let's just jump into it. I'm sweating. I don't know if it's because I'm nervous or because no, it's because I'm nervous. Yep. Let's get sectioning. So first she sections her hair in the center, and then she sections a triangle. So I'm gonna do that. She went a little bit further up, but I don't want that much hair cut, so I'm just gonna do a little triangle. Well, not that little, but just a little bit smaller. That is the worst triangle ever, Tina. Okay, I'm just gonna go with that, and so I'm gonna get a clip and just clip the sides. Oh, that is gonna be a lot of hair to cut. Now she makes a smaller triangle within this triangle. Her tutorial is 5 minutes, and it's taking me 10 minutes to just section this part out. Can you be here whilst I do this? I need some moral support. So with this section, oh my god, I'm already nervous just holding my scissors. So with this middle section, she cuts it around her nose, and then she cuts it this way. So she doesn't cut it across, she kind of snips it slowly. Should I just cut it a little bit longer than my nose? I don't know, should I? I have no confidence now. I'm so scared, why? Oh. Okay, that's not so bad, I can work with this. I could totally do this. Oh my god, I'm cutting my hair. That's a Not so bad, right? Next up, we're going to bring in a little bit of the sides and make it like a bigger triangle. Alfred's watching me and he thinks I'm a lunatic right now. I kind of think I am too. So, cut it at my lip line. It's looking like how hers is looking, so I think I'm doing this right. Now the longest leftover bit, she cuts it where her chin is. So she just held it like this. It's only a little bit, so I'm not that afraid. This is looking a little bit like a mess at the moment. But there's more, don't worry, there's still more cutting. Okay, so she gives it a brush, separates it in the center, and then she just kind of like cuts it diagonally to blend that bit. So from shortest to the longest bit. Did that work? Oh yeah, it looks better than this side. This side looks like a mess. Okay, it's working. Okay, I'm gonna do the same with this side. Wait, how did she cut it this way? Okay, so she cuts it from the bottom going up. Oh, this feels weird. I don't know if I feel confident cutting it like this. I have a feeling it's not gonna be very even. This side definitely looks better. It doesn't feel as like choppy, but this side's still a bit thick on some areas. This side is not turning out how I want it to turn. Oh, I don't know, I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, so she kind of just brushes it out and then like cuts it, but I can't really see properly. So she's kind of like done with this part. Now she grabs more hair from this side. And this is what's gonna help frame the face. Do the same with this side. Just grabbing a little bit of hair at the front here. Whew. I'm sweaty. She just grabs all of that, brings it to the chin, and then snip. Comb it all out and then cut it smoothly. What does that mean? Oh, I think she just kind of like joins it all. Ow. I feel so awkward cutting my hair. Do the same with this side, just kind of like comb, and then this is my least favorite side. We're near the end and I'm not too sure if this is what I wanted. Now she moves on to styling. But I don't feel like my bangs are even on both sides. I'm just do one last check and then I'll style it. I don't know what's wrong with it. Like, it could be better, but I don't know how to make it better. You know what I mean? You know, I'm just gonna style it, see how it looks. If I don't like it, I'll like wet it and then trim it again. Okay, so for the styling, she just separates like the middle part and she pops it in a roller and then rollers on the side. So I'm just gonna quickly do that. I'm gonna spray a little bit of like this Shiseido powder shake. I saw Jung-eun, the celebrity hairstylist in Korea, she used a powder, sort of a product like this to help hold the curls, so I bought it on Yesto. I'm gonna spray that onto the roller and then roll my middle section up. And then I'm going to blow dry this, but before that, I am going to just vacuum all this hair because if I start blow drying, hair is gonna be like all over the studio, so give me a sec. Okay, I'm just going to blow dry this for a little bit. Okay, and then I'm just gonna let that cool for a couple of seconds. I need to let myself cool. I am so sweaty. I'm praying to the hair gods, please. Please let my hair be just, you know, just okay. It doesn't even have to be amazing. Whoa, okay. Okay, yeah, it's working, it's working. Oh, that volume, oh my gosh. That actually turned out okay. Oh my gosh. You could see that like on this side, it has that little like swoopty-doopty curve that kind of helps frame my face. That's actually what I wanted. Ooh. Okay, I just quickly tied my hair up like really roughly just to see what this part would look like. I kind of feel like I can even like cut more hair from here, but so far like it's looking good. It's definitely like the direction that I was like meaning to head towards. I'm quite happy with that. It does definitely frame my face a lot better. I think the only thing is like it does feel a little bit thick when I put all the hair on one side. So maybe I should thin it a little bit, but it's not too bad. And I think I can go a little bit shorter as well because it is sort of like touching my eye once it's sort of like curled a little bit. So I could go a little bit shorter if I wanted to. But overall, I am actually so impressed. Like at the start of this video, I was like, I don't know, this could be a big mistake. But honestly, once it's styled, I actually really like this. I'm super proud of myself. Give myself a pat on the back for that. I might have a little play and experiment a little bit and see the ways I can style this fringe. So I'll pop up some shots here for you guys. This is what it looks like with my hair out and then my bangs kind of like swept to one side. Honestly, it doesn't even look like I cut that much, but it does give me like that nice shape. It does help to frame my face, and I love that I can still kind of have it like away, or if I wanted to like have piecey bits, I can kind of bring it to the front. It is a little bit long here though. So if I wanted that look, I can trim it a little bit more. But I do like that I have like both options. I can kind of like just keep to the side, and it doesn't look too different to like my previous style, but it does kind of help frame my face a little bit more. Like my hair doesn't look as like flat and just boring and straight. So I do like that it adds a little bit more shape to my front. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like parted in the middle, and I kind of just like blow dried everything to the front and then split it. Yeah, it's giving me sort of like curtain bangs almost. I didn't expect this, but I'm not hating it. Actually, I think I can like rock it a little bit. Again, with this sort of style of bangs, if I didn't want that look, I guess I could just like have it parted just to the side and just kind of straight up and down so it's not going in and framing my face. So it doesn't even look like I cut my bangs because I didn't even cut that much. And I think that's why I love the look of like Korean bangs so much. It's not like a big chunk of hair that they've snipped. With this, it's really versatile. And so yeah, I'm just gonna like enjoy playing around with my hair for a little bit. I think if I wanted to have like more of that see-through bang completely, I could just chop it a little bit more. Should I? Should I not? I might just go for it. I'm just gonna like chop a little bit of that. I'm so confident now just because I was able to cut my hair. Now I'm just like, yeah, let's just go for it. Let's shorten it. Why not? Is that too short? No, it's still quite long. Okay, so I trimmed it a little bit. It's still a little bit long, but I don't want to go any shorter. So yeah, if I wanted to, I could have it like a see-through bang in the center, though I actually much prefer the curtain bangs. Anyways, enough of that. I'm sure you guys will see how I style my fringe in my future videos. But yeah, overall, I am actually really surprised it wasn't that difficult to do. It's only like getting over the fear of actually cutting your own hair, if you know what I mean. But I feel like that tutorial is really easy to follow. There is English subtitles, so if you guys are interested, I'll link the video below. My advice would to just be like, cut your hair or leave it a little bit longer than you think. That just gives you room for buffer in case, you know, if you cut it too short, there's kind of like no going back from there. But if you have it a little bit longer and you want to trim it still, it's easier to do at the end. Anyways, that is it to this episode of Tina Tries It. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'm so relieved that I did not embarrass myself in front of everyone on the internet. I'm sure you guys have seen all those like fringe cut or bang cut fails. Thank God today wasn't one of them. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. That way you don't miss out on any future uploads. And yeah, stay tuned for my next video. I think I shall try to cut Alfred's hair next, now that I've leveled up. We'll see if he lets me. That's it from me. I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye!